Assalamu alaikum. I was talking about my application was very slow when it was searching for equals of, in one directory there are files and it's 700 other directories might be the same files in that directory. Searches all of those directories one by one. It was very slow. But the problem, I probably knew that, but it was I was adding to the text. But this application I made early 3 years ago, maybe very fast, like 30 minutes, and but the problem was why is it slow is if it tries to add in the Microsoft text box of C sharp every time 2,500 of what 1,300 times. No, that's it. The application goes so slow. So I made a little bit changes. Was very quick because the text box text adding showing the data and its file and also which file and the same and those things. I had to change. I changed it to adding it in a string variable to the memory before asking Microsoft Windows C sharp. Put this in the text box. It will slow you up as a heck. But the other things you don't want to ask Microsoft, except when you say, just put it in memory very quickly. Not your library to call it. But here I will. Here is the new version I made. It's very fast. It can show that 1200. This is 1200 something, or maybe 1300 are the same files. Then I can press the delete immediately. And but here, this directory is protected by administrator rights. Only administrator can delete, so this file, this application won't be able to delete it. But it can read, so I can see the files that are the same. I don't care about reading directories. In this directory, I mean, Mursal. But here it is. This one goes very fast. It's so. Uh, it's without adding to text box every time. Oh, here you see I made the 3027 total files found. It is so that means like a 3027 same files have been found. That was very fast. Now I'm gonna show you the other application, the version before this one, but that was in the code backup of mine. So I will just show you how slow that one is. Oh, so here is this is the older version of this application where this application stupid application. Also I was writing very fast code when I made that code, but it tries to keep to add this to this text box the files from the file directory you're searching from and where that file is found in another directory of this directory. I'm gonna hide a little bit the directory names because I can have a bit how do you call it? No. But here it is. I press the search. This one is gonna take very long. As you see, it freezes. But normally you can put it the search on in a thread or something, but here I put it on a UI thread, and so it freezes the user interface, the graphical thing you see in this form and those things. This will take a long time. I might pause the video. No, I'm not gonna pause the video. This is how long it takes. It's at 22 and 22, 37. The other program, if I refreshed, went faster. So don't update the text box too much when you search for things. Just put it in a string or in a text a variable in the memory of the laptop or something like that. But this one is putting something in text box every time. It takes so long. I don't know. It's gonna finish. Now people will close that thing. But I remember this day. I was making application for this company. Does it make this and that? I had to choose between putting stuff in a registry to load it out or the user variables. So first I went for the user variables. I thought the mix of loads user variables in the memory. The application started so slow. I would fire myself. But I fixed it using a registry. Could have used the disk. No, the disk. Registry is good. Registry is good because with the registry you can also do on user that the user can only that user can open that registry. As a user profile, user variables, but use variables if you use because it will kill you. So slow. I hear it finished. It's at 2 minutes it took, and the other one was immediately finished. So that what that was what I wanted to show. That was what I wanted to show. Not don't update as a text box too much. Load it in memory and then at once load it in the text box one because you ask Microsoft text box update. It takes you 5 seconds per update. Maybe more. I don't know. 2 minutes. But all good. Salam alaikum. That was it and greetings.